Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. I'm also Patch Lake Farmer Township Police. Do you know why I'm stopping you today?
I'm guessing the tent.
Just the tent, yeah. Dark. It's illegal. All right. You have your lights, registration, insurance?
Nope, pocket.
Yeah, no problem. Where are you coming from? You know?
So,
Oh, okay. Yeah, I gotta go through there.
Yeah.
Alright, so besides the window tint, another reason I stopped you was because your exact numbers on your plate come back as a stolen license plate, but out of North Carolina.
Oh, okay.
Not out of PA. So that's, you know, those were the two reasons I was stopping you. Again, it was because your window tint, which I'll just give you a verbal warning for.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I'm not going to bust your balls over that. Here's your stuff back. Everything checks out.
Alright.
So go ahead, go get your food, man, and have a good day, alright?
Thank you.
All right.
Take care.
Yep, you too.
What are you getting, adobo?
Yeah.
Alright.
Some rice and chicken.
Yeah, it is good stuff.